Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you fix your account when your account is restricted on Facebook. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So before beginning, I'm just gonna quickly tell you what this restriction usually means, or why do you even get restricted. So basically it could be maybe you posted some inappropriate content, maybe you sent too many friend requests, maybe you were racist or disrespectful in a post or a comment. So that is what leads to Facebook, restricting your account. And usually, it is usually always that that is always why this happens. But in case you feel like that it was banned like unfairly, you can go ahead and reach out their support. So you go to Facebook and then you're gonna go to your profile menu and we're gonna go to help and support, and then we're gonna press report a problem. Now we can just press continue to report here, and now it says include, complete lock, blah blah blah. You can include, not include, don't include. So basically what you want to do is you want to find your restricted. I don't know if it's available here. Let's try login, right? Let's just rather just go to profile, and right now here you can take a attach a screenshot of your account being disabled or restricted. You can add a information, like for example, let's suppose sometimes it has happened to me before actually that I committed something a bit offensive to my friend, but actually me and my friend are cool with that and he doesn't mind, but Facebook does not know that, right? So you can add that such information that it was like a joke, and he was my friend and he would be cool. Just write anything that makes sense, and that would help you in getting this account unrestricted. I mean, from speaking for myself, I once added information like this was like a inside joke with my friend, and I would be really grateful if you could unrestrict me, and I think it worked. So that is how you do it. Basically, your only chance to get your account up and running is to report the problem to Facebook and just ask for their support. And if they help you, well and good. And if they don't, well, I got bad news for you. You will stay restricted for the amount of time that's written on your account. So maybe something like 7 days, 14 days. So you'll just have to wait that period out. So that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.